I'm really excited that finally Croatia will have also master program in cognitive sciences. And yeah, I'm very, very, very happy that you started it in Rijeka as well, because I don't know, I really do hold Rijeka dear in my heart since I studied there. Yeah, so I'm now working at the Safety Center. So basically, we are doing research regarding driver behavior. It's somewhat similar to what we already heard about the UX lab in Zadar. Basically, what we want to do is develop safety functions that are better in relation to the driver using them. So we are doing studies on driver behavior. We would like to know more how driver interacts with the car, but also with the safety functions. And then that might sound very unfamiliar and vague. But if you are anyway interested in automotive industry, then you know that automotive industry is moving towards more autonomous driving functions. And in the meantime, while the technical aspects of autonomous driving are developing, driver still needs to interact with the car on certain aspects. And there are certain issues that can arise there. And what the industry would very much like and also notices the need to design those functions in a way that are from the behavior and driver perspective very easy to use, and also not only easy to use, but also provide a higher level of safety. And this is where I and my team are now involved in, or this is what's our job to do. After the whole research process that we need to plan the methodology, perform user studies, and data analysis, then our also job is to communicate those findings to the product development team and have close relationship with them, because sometimes technical development and implementation can have their own requirements, and we want to bridge that gap and make it more efficient. So that's in very short terms what am I now involved in. What I really like about the whole cognitive or part of it is that I'm now working with people from various disciplines. So from engineering perspective, even physics, cognitive science, but also biomedical engineers. The cognitive science in general is very interdisciplinary field, meaning that it's not only that we can implement what we know from our own disciplines, but we need to transfer that to another discipline as well. And I think this is a perfect program for somebody who is very curious about different stuff, and also likes to follow trends in technology, and is curious in how to implement knowledge from behavior perspective and connect it with the technology in some way, because the whole idea is that technology is more user-friendly, and that's the now term that is commonly used. So yeah, there are different ways I think that cognitive sciences can be involved in. And I do know that in Volvo also there are a lot of user experience researchers. So I definitely do see, and the thing that I noticed here is that the whole concept of knowing what the cognitive science is different, in the sense that people already know what to expect from the cognitive sciences, and or in general the whole discipline. It is very needed, as Franjo mentioned. There are jobs in various different fields and areas, and I think that in general people can. What I really like is that you can tailor in some way your preferences very nicely with this program. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it to anybody who is interested in that.